Good afternoon guys, welcome to my channel. See guys, this is the one we do feeding program for all because ayun may nagtatrabaho sa river, may nagtatrabaho dito sa river. Tapos kami ang nag-aano ng mga pagkain nila. Ayun sila 70 person need to breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now, they are nearby in our house there. See too much people there. Ayun. Mga trabahante. Widely nila yung pinamalakihan nila ang anong tawag dito? Ang sapa. Kaya ito ang ngayon. Kaya little bit busy me. Busy. Ayun. Nagano sila ng mga stones, sand. Ayun, may tin sila din doon da banda. Mostly, bitbitin namin pagkain doon. Tapos ngayon hindi. Ayan. Ayun si madam. May madam, may manager. Ayan sila. Ayun, papunta, they will go from there far. So that if raining, they are very safe. Government siya. Ayun yung kasama namin sa pagluluto lahat. Ayan. Aray. busy. May sariling mundo din si Inday. Ayan siya guys. Kaya busy muna si Inday. The river, because we don't have dagat in Nepal. This is the river. If too much raining, oh my god, until here the water guys going like 3/4 going to up, but it's very safe. Whoever living here is very safe because one time is already too much water. It's safe, very safely. Ayun. Mag-work yan sila until I think 7:30. Tapos 7:30 doon na either i-deliver ang pagkain doon sa tent nila or either pupunta doon sa bahay namin. Ayan. Too much hard working here guys, no? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Be kind and be happy. Love you all. Hi guys. Kumusta kayo guys? Now, nag-grocery naman ang aking asawa guys for the ready for tomorrow cooking. Lots of tomato, kamatis, tapos sa Nepali is alo, in English is potato, and tapos onion, and then garlic, tapos yung mga rice, cabbage ready for preparing for sa mga 60 katao. Balik kayo guys. Nakita ko muna sa inyo guys, kaya sobrang busy for today.
Siguro dapat puti gamay.
এই অন্ডা লাগে তুমি কথা বুঝালি
সত্যি লো নলটি আর আপনি उसका টাগো হাত এ সল্টি স্কিপ করতে পারি
সত্যি না বলা
দেই বলি अंते बन रही था इनास ना वाली ऑफिस से लॉल मन थे ती बोलती थी और के था दुकान
मेरा भाई
This is tomato paste. Tomato na siya guys. Ginawa lang siyang paste. Ayan.
Buhay ang dala.
For ready for cooking now. And then this is the one. I want coffee. Ah. See guys, good morning guys. See, we are cooking now for egg for 60 person.
65
A 65 person boiled egg for their breakfast. 1 minute, give me this one. Because recently we are busy feeding for the people. Ayan. Kaya yung boiled na to siya. Ready na to for deliver. Egg guys. Sa isang tao, dalawa. Kaya ayan. Bye for now.
आलू काट रहे भैया जाओ पेट दुखे से होने का है
Toilet na, toilet. Bani alo din na bani. Thank you. Welcome.
तो सर आज खाना ना आऊँ मैंने तो खाना आऊँ मैंने आज तो काम करने पर्छ खाना आउनुलाई
Sige.
यहाँ हजुर कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नु मेरो रिजर्भ